struggling to understand the concept of the hierarchy of control for your NEBOSH exam, no need to worry. In this video, we break down the hierarchy of control in a clear and straightforward way, ensuring you understand this crucial topic and are well prepared for your exam. Let's dive into the 5 key elements of the hierarchy of control and how they apply to real-world scenarios. But before we dive into the details of the hierarchy of controls, let's start with a short introduction to the hierarchy of control. The hierarchy of control is a systematic framework designed to minimize or eliminate exposure to workplace hazards. It's structured with the most effective controls at the top, descending to the least effective at the bottom. Understanding this hierarchy is crucial for ensuring that the most appropriate and effective measures are practiced, keeping everyone safe. Let's break it down step by step. At the very top of the hierarchy is elimination, the most effective control method. Elimination involves completely removing the hazard from the workplace. For example, if a chemical is too dangerous to be used safely, the best approach is to stop using it entirely. By eliminating the hazard, we eliminate the risk, and if there's no hazard, there's no risk. Simple yet powerful. The next step down is substitution. This method involves replacing a hazardous material or process with one that poses less risk. For instance, using a less toxic chemical instead of a highly toxic one. While not as effective as elimination, substitution can significantly reduce potential harm. Engineering controls come next. These are physical modifications to the workplace that help to isolate people from the hazard. Examples include installing ventilation systems, safety guards, or barriers. Engineering controls are effective, but they must be well designed and maintained to ensure they continue to protect workers. Further down the hierarchy, we find administrative controls. These involve changing the way people work. This can include training programs, implementing safety procedures, or rotating shifts to reduce exposure to hazards. However, these controls rely heavily on people following the procedures correctly, which makes them less reliable than the previous methods. At the base of the pyramid is personal protective equipment. This includes items such as gloves, masks, and helmets that workers wear to protect themselves. Personal protective equipment is considered the least effective control because it doesn't remove the hazard. It merely provides a barrier between the worker and the danger. Personal protective equipment should be used as a last resort when all other controls have been applied. So that's the hierarchy of control, from the most effective method, elimination, to the least effective personal protective equipment. The key takeaway is to always aim to control hazards as high up the pyramid as possible. By doing so, we ensure a safer working environment for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions about the hierarchy of control or NEBOSH in general, drop them in the comments below. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.